Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your destination on the DiDi application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the DiDi application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your phone number or your Facebook and Google account. Once you have logged in, you will be taken into the homepage from which if you wish to travel anywhere, then if you haven't already enabled the location settings, you can tap on the enable button to allow location access for a more convenient experience. You can also tap on enter location manually in order to enter your current location. Once you have entered your current location, which is the pickup point, you can tap on the where to option and you can either enter the location within the box or you can also tap on pin the location on the map and you will be able to drag the pin to set your destination. Once you have set your destination, the app will begin to look for rides that are available on the route that you have entered. Once a ride is available, you can simply tap on the ride and proceed forward with accepting it, and the driver will contact you themselves. And there you have it. That is how you can set your location or your destination on the DiDi app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.